Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today by the thumbnail you can understand I'm going to make fish rezala super easy but not compromising with the taste at all. So directly going to the cooking as I go. Here I have taken katla fish which I have fried in white oil, just marinating with only salt, no turmeric powder. And here I am going to make a paste out of onion, green chilies and cashew nut. One medium size onion I have taken, 4 or 5 cashew nuts and 2 green chilies. Make a smooth fine paste out of it. Now friends, if you all like my recipe, a thumbs up please. Here goes my tempering with bay leaf, dry red chili, green cardamom, cinnamon and clove. So friends, if you all like my recipe, a thumbs up, share with your friends as much as you can, and those who are new, a humble request to all of them, please subscribe my channel, and those who have already subscribed, a lot of thanks to them. So here let my tempering splutter a bit, and then I'm going to add a medium-sized onion finely chopped, and I will be frying these onions till they change their color and the rawness disappears. I don't want to make them very dry or too much golden in color. They should look transparent or a bit more than transparent. Here you can keep your flame at high point also. Now after the onions are transparent, a little bit golden, so here I will be adding 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. Here friends, I have used Smith & Jones. You can use regular homemade also. Now then I will be frying this ginger garlic paste till it loses its rawness and it becomes fried a little bit, not too much again. Now after frying this, I will be adding the paste which I have made out of onion, cashew nut and green chili. Now when you put this paste, put your flame, listen carefully friends, put your flame at the lowest point, because you have cashew nuts here. It may stick to your pan, which is not desirable. So make your flame at the lowest point and fry till oil separates from it. So it will take a little bit of time. It took 2 to 3 minutes for me, and the oil has nicely separated. To this now I will be adding some raisins or kishmish. This is the catch of the dish. It gives a lovely tang and taste also, enhances the taste very much. So please don't avoid this. Now I am adding 1 cup of water after washing the mixie jar in which I have made the paste of onion and cashew nut. Now give it a nice mix and let it come to a boil. When it started boiling, I will be adding 2 drops of vinegar. This is a big catch of the dish. Only 2 drops, not more than that, friends. So after adding 2 drops of vinegar, I will be adding the fried fish very gently, one after the other, and again I will allow it to boil for some time. Raise your flame a little bit. A little bit of garam masala goes to it, and half a teaspoonful of clarified butter at this point of time. After adding the garam masala, don't mix it friends. There are little bit of catches of this dish, so be careful and pay attention to it, and watch my video till the end so that you can make your dish perfect and you can get the maximum taste out of it. You can add 2 green chilies here, but which is optional. In rezala actually green chilies are not added, but for your flavor or to make the dish, to give a little bit of color to your dish, you can add. Now here goes dash of sugar. Now again, dash of sugar means just a little bit of sugar, because raisins will give some sweetness and your onion will give some sweetness, and above all cashew nut will give some sweetness. So friends, if you want to add sugar, if you want to know, you have to add sugar, but a little bit of a dash of. Now cover it. Your dish is ready, but not ready for 10 minutes. Standing time is a must. So try this. Keep me in your prayers. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon. Thank you for watching.